higher CC displacement pero second hand, or brand new na kasing price lang pero lower displacement lang na motor. Boss, ano pong magandang bilhin? Second hand Aerox V2 or second hand Yamaha Sniper 155 or second hand NMAX? Or bumili na lang ng Honda Click 125 na brand new. 90k kasi budget ko, boss. Boss MJC31, shoutout sa'yo. Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Boss, nasa tamang content creator ka kasi pag-uusapan natin yung mga second hand. Isa ako dyan sa mga makaka-recommend. Tulad ng mga cellphone ko, which is ito, 11, meron tayong 12, tapos meron din tayong Xiaomi for work purposes. As well as guys, yung nakikita nyo yung laptop natin dito, which is dito tayo nag-edit. Yan din, boss, is second hand, but I have wisely used it or bought it. However, honestly, sasabihin ko sa'yo, yung motor ko, which is Honda RS125Fi tsaka Suzuki Gixxer 150, brand new ko itong nabili. One of the reasons kasi bakit bumibili ako ng mga gadgets na second hand kasi hindi ako masyadong na-hype pag newly released talaga itong mga gadgets na to. But sa motorcycles kasi, I would really love to recommend a brand new motorcycles. But pinapahirapan mo ako sa mga questions mo kasi magandang pag-usapan to. Which means higher CC displacement pero second hand, or brand new na kasing price lang pero lower displacement lang na motor. So bibigyan kita ng tatlong steps no na dapat mong pag-isipan para mas mapadili yung decision making mo. First is, if second hand motorcycles ba, malaki ba yung assurance mo na less yung maintenance nito, yung mga parts nito hindi ba agad napalitan or meron ka bang mga update dito. Second is yung paperworks nito, especially kapag motor, 'di ba, yung ORCR nito, kamusta? Makukuha mo yung brand new, yung copy. Although it doesn't matter that much, but 'di ba, bibili na nga lang tayo ng motor, maganda talaga if makuha natin yung pure OR nito para naman sa security at sa ating legitimacy. And last but not the least is gustong-gusto mo ba to although second hand to? Kasi if yes, I would really love to recommend second-hand motorcycle sa'yo. Yung bias ko dito guys is Yamaha NMAX, especially yung V3 at or V2, yung, di ba meron tayong newly released dito which is the Yamaha NMAX Turbo. Yung older version nun, I think it's V2 yata or V3. Basta older version ni Yamaha NMAX. Kasi si new version is NMAX Turbo yung alam ko eh. Yun yung bias ko kasi maganda upuan, tapos maganda yung features and all, meron pang mga ABS. If ever, ganong klaseng motor yung pipiliin mo. Kahit pasabihin mo na 100k na NMAX older version versus the brand new Honda Click, I would really love to go for Yamaha NMAX older version. As long as walang damage and maganda yung mga parts and wala namang masyadong issue galing sa first owner, then all the way Yamaha NMAX ako or the second hand. But again, you'll never go wrong for Honda Click na brand new kasi mas may peace of mind ito compared